and welcome to DynaBone Presets. In this video we're going to be covering version 0.2 and the changes that come along with it. Let's go ahead and go to Disney Media, DynaBone Presets, and System. Now we have the animator here, and we just pop that in there, and we can see the updated display. Here we have the presets, which is cloth, and other presets in the animal section such as tail and ears, as well as collider presets, which are the collision points. So we have the upper, lower, and full body, and now the arms points is set to 0 or none, upper, lower, and both, and the same thing for leg points. So we now have none, upper, lower, and both. And the bone points are now sectioned off into their own little areas. And in this one we have cloth points for human, but if we switch over to animal, we can see that we have cloth, tail, and ears. And below that we have the bone collider points, which is usable in the animal settings. So you can set the animal body parts there. Of course in the human section, that is not accessible because it is auto-grabbed. And of course below that we have the add default presets and clear presets, which just adds and clears the default presets to the cloth preset or the collider preset values. And last but not least, we have the setup and clear buttons, which of course set up the dynamic bones and colliders on the character itself, or clear it entirely if you want to restart from scratch. With version 0.2's new additions, we can now add a head collider as well as rig the ears for physics. And the option for creation type has been added. You can now add the dynamic bones directly on the original rig transform or on the root transform, which would be directly under the character transform. In this case we're going to have it right on the original transform, and we're going to rig the ears. So let's go human, animal, and then we're going to go presets. We're going to set the ear preset, ear basic. We're also going to set up the head, so let's go ahead and go human head since we have a humanoid character here. We're going to go bone points, ears, and then we're going to find the ear transforms and add them to the list. Now we have them selected, we'll add to the list, there we go, and then we need to set the body part for the head, and boom, now we're ready to go. So then we just select the character and click setup. Now we have the collider and the ears rigged right there, and as we can see they're on the original transforms right here. Now all we have to do is click play and we can see that in action. Rotate the character a bit, and we have some floppy ears. And that about does it for version 0.2. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to shoot me a message on the Discord or forum links in the video description below. If you like the asset, don't forget to leave a review on the asset store page, and thank you very much for watching.